Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Squarespace and Wix, two of the most popular website builders in the world. If you're planning to create a website for your business, your brand, portfolio, or online store, you've probably come across these two platforms. But the big question is, which one is actually better for you? In this video, I'll break down what each platform is used for, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and then give you a balanced conclusion on whether either of them truly deserves the title of the best website builder. We'll start with Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder that focuses heavily on design quality and simplicity. It's best known for its clean layouts, elegant typography, and polished templates. The platform is designed to help users create professional-looking websites without touching a single line of code. Squarespace is commonly used by creatives, photographers, designers, bloggers, small businesses, consultants, and online stores that want a premium-looking website with minimal setup. Everything is built into one platform, from hosting, templates, marketing tools, blogging, analytics, and e-commerce. So users don't have to rely heavily on third-party plugins. The idea behind Squarespace is simple: less complexity, more structure, and beautiful results. Now let's head on to Wix. Wix is also an all-in-one website builder, but it takes a very different approach. Instead of prioritizing structure, Wix focuses on flexibility and creative freedom. Wix uses a true drag-and-drop editor, meaning you can move almost anything anywhere on the page. This makes Wix extremely popular with beginners who want control over how their website looks without needing design experience. Wix works well for personal websites, small businesses, freelancers, online stores, bloggers, service providers, and even large businesses. It also includes AI tools that can automatically generate a website for you based on a few questions. So let us explore the main features and details. First, website design and templates. With Squarespace, templates are known for being visually stunning and professionally designed. They are perfect if you want a website that looks premium right out of the box. You can customize colors, font, layouts, and sections, but everything stays neatly aligned and structured. Wix, on the other hand, offers much more freedom. You can drag text, images, buttons, and sections anywhere on the page. This gives you near total creative control, which is great if you like experimenting, but it can also lead to messy designs if you're not careful. How about the ease of use? Squarespace has a clean and minimal editor. Everything feels organized and intuitive, making it easy for beginners who don't want too many options on screen. Wix, on the other hand, is also beginner-friendly, but because it offers more customization, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. And once you get used to it though, it becomes very powerful. Now let's talk about the e-commerce features. Both platforms allow you to sell products online, but they shine in different ways. Squarespace e-commerce is great for small to medium-sized stores, digital products, subscriptions, and services. It handles inventory, payments, shipping, taxes, and product management smoothly, all inside the platform. Wix e-commerce is more flexible and scalable. It supports large product catalogs, dropshipping, bookings, subscriptions, abandoned cart recovery, and multiple payment gateways. This makes Wix a better choice for businesses planning to scale aggressively. How about in terms of marketing and SEO tools? Squarespace includes built-in tools for email marketing, basic SEO, analytics, and branding. Everything works together seamlessly, which is great if you want an all-in-one system. And for Wix, they offer more advanced marketing tools, including email campaigns, SEO setup wizards, social integrations, automation tools, and AI-powered features. It's better suited for users who want more control over marketing and growth strategies. Next, we talk about the apps and integrations. Squarespace relies mostly on built-in tools. With limited third-party integrations, this keeps things simple but less expandable. Wix, on the other hand, has a large app marketplace, allowing you to add extra functionality like booking systems, live chat, memberships, forums, and lots more. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Squarespace, there is the personal plan, business plan, the commerce plan, and another commerce plan which is advanced. Personal plan at $16 per month when you pay annually, but when you decide to pay monthly, the prices jump up. So for an annual payment, it comes down to $16 per month, $23 per month for business, Commerce Basic 28 per month, and the Commerce Advanced at 52 per month. Now you can try all free for 14 days before you finally commit to a price. And for Wix, there is the Light plan, which is the one that gives you the basics at $17 per month, a Core plan, $29 per month, Business plan at $39 per month, and the Business Elite at $159 per month. You can also start free and choose a plan when you're ready. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For SquareSpace, it has beautiful professional templates, clean and intuitive interface, strong built-in features, is excellent for creative and portfolios. And the pros of Wix: very flexible drag and drop editor, large template selection, powerful e-commerce and marketing tools, Art Marketplace for extra features, and a free plan available. How about the cons? For SquareSpace, there's less design freedom than Wix and has fewer third-party integrations. And the cons of Wix? It can feel overwhelming for beginners, and designs can look cluttered if not done carefully. So which is the best website builder, SquareSpace or Wix? The honest answer is it depends on what you need. If you want maximum design flexibility, advanced e-commerce options, and lots of customization, Wix is the better choice. But if you prefer beautiful design, simplicity, and all-in-one experience with a minimal setup, then SquareSpace is a fantastic option. Neither platform is objectively better in quotes. They just serve different types of users, and in 2026, both remain top-tier website builders. And that's it on the comparison of SquareSpace and Wix. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Shopify, WordPress, and Webflow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.